ego tuku.
Yeah. Oh, thank you.
Ine.
Reure. Silon Rogongo Chronicles. Rico. You know, nowadays I move in the rural areas. Ekuria Rogo. Gonado Ricori. Slowly by slowly, and by a large number, Riconeria Shokira New Banen. When people do houses, they consider a plan where the kitchen is in there.
In the incorporated.
Yes. Tenali. If you're to Kurari, kitchen is a Koragona Kitugeta Goriri. Cessation.
No, kitchen is here detached.
You remember there was a drive here Pwani si Kenya. Jikoni hikuwa nyumba.
That did not end very well.
No, it did not end very well. It was not supposed to end well. That was very retrogressive to start with. Jikoni was a very shambolic structure. Very misplaced.
Actually, Rico there is structure ya kugutha guthu.
Yes. Tono kuoginya kuiga goto shau. What is the plural of kori?
Tori.
Niko toiga goto twara ala kiugo kwina ke.
Kwina gicoro.
Na nituko ya niwe mwaki ni wanyita ndoro wega. Ugakora unataka you know like a thermal regulated area. Leu Rico was just a makeshift structure. Ya kuruga.
Ricori. Yes. On especially with the dads who are home all the time.
Yes.
Though to ginya getidire age procure services cia carpenter.
No.
Gwakariko.
He will just call a few workers of his and use you as manpower to thatch it. Na gwekira ndoro.
Bas.
Yes.
You have a kitchen.
Yes. Na unadiekira odrisia sina kuria ire.
Gatirisa kare kau.
Kamwe.
Kaigano.
They were very dark actually na utheri wa umanaga na mwaki
na murango
na ria kori yo ete iguru na hau nio hari kiria the demarcatory line ya ngui ona cione cia menya cia ingiragia mutwe hani. Yes,
tondu kuhitukia maguru hau.
That is now
crossing the red line.
It is actually external aggression. But never mind, Rico na riori a theater of sorts. Yana mithako no yagereka no thaka one aje mwanya thira na mwana mwende. Yes. The stories in the kitchen.
No, issue ratio cia TikTok.
Yes. Na mugejirie kwana ta murarĩrĩria thoguo ri. Horagia radio mugacenjia topic.
Aiwe mukimucuka.
Aiwe tondu ni we na yes.
Tondu ndawo gĩũka Riko.
Yes.
Kũrĩa metha-inĩ.
But in rare occasions, rĩrĩa gathano gaitĩka
kwaheha wega
niokaga and there was no ukona gitikia beach of kanitha itaikaragirwo muthikavu niokaga rimwe Paris
akauma Dauses.
Yes.
HQ
akauma Archdiocese aoka paroko Nagiokira, he never used to make any pronouncement. The protocol was very clear. Yes. Nimwehere. Na hari akorwo thondekeirwo ri. Ni akitwo research ati ndogo ndirugamake.
Ndogo ndithia mwena ucio.
Itho gwaite maithori mumwiroreire hau ta ng'ombe nguru. No, they were makeshift. Rikona ria momoka utakire mundu watindanagira.
Kuna.
It was always by the fence huko. Ona kwaura wega ri. Ni mwaforcagwo ni weather factors guthama Riko.
Yurite wega.
Yes.
Kiguo ni gikumubothi muthame Riko.
Yes. During the rainy season you would cook early. Yes.
Mweragwo. Na muririkane kuruga tene ni iraura thaa 2.
Ni ringite mbura. Ni irio iko ihite thaa 2. Mugathamirio nyumba ki.
Nyumba nene.
No, Riko was
nyumba na kuo gutiare meikarire mwaria tona kuo gutire you see kija ni ndodo wa mwakiri ni kware kwa rugari
exactly
riu rige mwako wona time ya kuhura story mutaye na ihenya no ru nyumba nene sasa mtu akikura
nyarume aria thogu ahuthitie society ini ri mathi ya riko especially if your father was mundu mwandike handu athiaga ri ti andu othe entertaina nyumba nene ageni mumoka ama ikara riko akere kuo no mwaka tumanirwo wakora mundu ucio ri andu a heri what do you call this rogiri akihiriga na default ye ori ndiakinyire kuri exchequer riu nioka kurandura you go through the front office riko amasi ile mwaga
yena uru
ndona tekuo kuo kwendaga atia Paulo akikana haria ndagikire ati kawari hagia
ndira kwanyitithania na kamuti gaka ndiramwatũrĩire ngurumo
etiko ndia ndirarĩhia nĩ kaũndũ kanyita kana ihenya aikwene tanori no ũkĩmwarĩrie
ni kemani wako akora igaterwo bia cia mwaka thukuru hau
ugera ndoka no tukuri kurio ka undu wa masi ndio kana no hothe kumwariria ndokira ke nawe nyambe thonge ngima wetia ngima ume na mutu no kugweta wa masi mwaririe and if luck was on his side yageigwire ocio ne Paulo
inewa
Paulo
oi
oka wana mothe we muthuri smart ndonyuete ukwenda atia ale leo kwa to ndera wa masi andu ndirekire ati gwika atia
andu ndirairigire aria rogiriro akugwirwo ne mete yatemwo ni kiboya
irakiwa handu awaku ukingirwo tari kuori
ndiragicokereria rogiri
riu ageni acio mamba guthiriko ukukune ana the
grievances nigetha ikinjio wabici nene
and by extension by ripple effect ona nyune mohothagia muthuri tori muthuri tori ndagiatumire mu kahi thigara
system ne amuonagia mundu ucio ri
is not very consequential. He has never held any influential position in society. Aiwa kai uka gutuma duka ndiragiria gutuma go
uragirio no
ndaiyo baba ndatumwo ringi diga ni nguhurwo au ona ke ukuni otwaga githie
magara
those people kama igire riko even the family
ayo de akora muiyuki no ritu
no riko was just and you know some people twathie jandoni ri wahakanirio na riko ko kiubu yaku yakiana gashisha because they would not afford to do 4 walls.
We di goroma no mo kanyitithanio na riko.
Yes. And now tikire na gypsum was detached. Leo dawa kaega seti gwaku. Aiwa. Mami. Ukira waithira cokereria ngu warua ne moigania na thoguo twathe ne gwakuo gwaka ndike mwana uyu
ne kwirorero ku werigu
yara loja
oikareira maguru
yes wake gwaku alega wigatwo wega ri kwamba kuigwo farm tools and equipment gwaku wazo kaiwa ng'ombe yanyu ya gacauri you now coexist with herbivores
with your jaw
acho kaiwa Watarama tukumbalega sa ugafati wika.
Kwaja ugiakorire kwaja cube yaku ugiaku jithanio na riko ona nobody sought your consent
no
matuire koji
yes
ugakora nginya ugitire koji tondu we utigeta waingana kuburi igakonywo koji na kuburi yayo
there was a haste
na makaiga indo ta icio
wale ambao ni wa marika metu na kupanda juu
ndege koyo
have seen better days.
Marika metu na kupanda juu
mare malikuwa
marika maitu guthie na iguru
yes my mother you know akeni yari ni okite gucera gwakwa riu thoita riu agithi kuria Jandoni araikarangire kou and I think something came from the past akiria iriguri tondu he mari watherukietie asa nuko aromia wa ithera mwera yak ame yak Rudario oro ando le mata luke irigo ana meka iro process ya mbere ya digestion twirago yaja in the mouth
ana mata luke iro meta hato
marika mama muthoni matigita lukira mwana irio they will swallow
no they can't
they will swallow
no they actually maku it's unhygienic
wale they nagia ciana ithia koro mata
esi atanukagiro
no leo inagiro adi show leo ni kale ure ni monete the evolution of the country yes and my more specifically the Oro stage you see nowadays if you go to main towns you got a very designated area that is a stage
stage ya matatu
yes na town you menya onene wao ni kuigwa ina stage ya Rugongo na
kianda
yes
kana ina stage makiria memwe
yes todo Saturday stage ya Rugongo na kianda
bere ni stage kana ni fara were rwa fara
maragwa
niri stage
no ndo ta utukania stage na thoko you see things and times have changed tara unyere uraigwa mathondekeirwo stage ya million ni cigana
ino kurare na bara ni meguthie ka matiguthie
yes
I think in stage ya kindu around 700 million
na makamengatheria kwi ndigutari stage ithio marika mayari ni twitene hari ngari cioyagirwo
ti stage no it's true
and you know even the vehicles then were jalopies ona mundu mugeni ni agiecirie ni garasi
yete akora ngari hau na tene ikuaga gwiciria cie ngereci
in fact we nini ri we used to think it is normal procedure ngari ya ihurago ikio
no true
gotire horaga
ati ngari kururuma no nginya ikio
yes na ile cia na starter ya uro starter ya inainagia kila kitu
shagi shoke nukia legiura
ajore ngari ndio cia ona timerigo ya ihuraga ta mitungi ya mai ciare menyua mai
No.
No, we have seen it all.
No, tauni cia rũgongo rĩ.
Yes.
Gũtie kũndũ gĩathi atĩ ũkore kĩndũ ngĩta stage.
Hapana.
Hapana.
Ndona gũtiarĩ ngari nyingĩ.
Gũtiarĩ ngari.
Tondũ stage ya kĩrĩa-inĩ ũguo tũrarĩ harĩa live rĩ.
Last week.
Activity na box.
Na kwĩna mũbango.
Center box. Na mũthuri ũyũ mĩmana atũĩrĩtagwo atĩa?
Cege wa Wambui.
Cege wa Wambui. Stage ũkona yes. This is a stage.
Designated.
Yes.
Na ĩgathondekwo nginya nĩ county.
Yes.
Ĩgekĩrwo kamburo.
Wega view. Tene ngari ciateo handũ karĩma-inĩ ũũ. Atĩ aihũre kwa bethi na maĩ.
Nĩgetha yoe.
Ĩthitũrwo.
Na catastrophe yarĩ ĩthiĩ.
Yes.
Yathitũrwo ĩrege kuoya. Ũmenye no mũrĩtharũrũka ngari ĩyo to kũrĩ andũ mekuma.
Ona ũngĩkompea mahoya ma thabarĩ ma hĩndĩ ona ma rĩu rĩ. People were accustomed to vehicles breaking down. Ko ũndũ ũcio nĩ mahotaga kĩ?
Mahoya-inĩ. Thabarĩ nĩ ciahoyagĩrwo.
Thikũ ici andũ mationaga itemi ya kũgweta ngari thondeketwo na moko ma andũ ĩkuru ũcio mahoya-inĩ.
No, okay, gũkĩrĩ a few old timers.
Yes.
Matarĩ meheria that line mahoya-inĩ.
Those ones are not young people. Thau mũthoni ndangĩhoera thabarĩ auge atĩ Nĩtuĩka kĩbara.
Wathani twerekeire gũthiĩ thabarĩ. Tũgũkuo nĩ ngari thondeketwo na moko ma andũ.
Jehova cianararia andũ bara. They know. Gatũrũme gothiĩ ngu. Ngai nĩ ithia ikauma kũgũrũ. Nĩtuokĩrĩra maroho ma kũng'aria ngari. Twahoera nginya tũrũgamĩrie itu. Nĩ aingĩ manatindĩka.
Nĩ ũtenderũ. Gũtiarĩ ngari nyingĩ. Gũtiarĩ bara njega.
Yes. And there was no stage. Acio na taũni imwe stage nĩ kũrĩ yo yarĩirwo. No, the planners were good. Yes.
Gũkĩigwo nĩ kwarĩ designated.
Yes.
Na rĩu successive authorities.
Yes.
Mixed with corruption.
Yes.
Stage na thoko ikĩrĩyo.
Kwĩ ngari ona ũtaimagine no ĩrurume. Na ĩkĩo cia ruruma ciana ikarĩra. Nĩ ta wothogo yarahũka. And people would be packed like sand.
No, actually, ũkui wa mũingĩ.
Yes.
It has since improved.
Actually, the turning point was the Meshoki rules. Yes.
Yeah, was it 204?
204 thereabout.
Aya, nĩ cia gũthamia kambaũni.
It's 20 years already. The Meshoki rules, and they still are effective.
In place, yeah.
That is what we call a legacy. Yes.
Nĩma.
Mbere rĩ, ona andũ matieragwo nĩ mũndũ. Waingĩra ngari ũrũgamĩte rĩ, ndwĩragwo nĩ mũndũ ũrore mbere. Mũhagĩrwo ta dovetail joints. In fact, there was a slogan here in Nairobi. Mwaingira mweragwo
tupendane. Mwendana akia hinya. Watu wapendane.
Yes. And of course that was a theater for pickpockets. Eno ya ndo wahagĩkagwo ngari-inĩ. Wanyita ciume ndo ngĩharũkia moko. There is no space. Ora you helplessly.
No, mũgĩbangĩtwo ta cera ici cia mũgate.
Mwana irio ti. Kana mũgate ũgathagĩrio nĩ mũthoni wĩtagwo atĩa?
King's meal.
We are from the past.
I tell you.
Yes.
Atĩ nĩ taũni cia rũgongo ũthiĩ ũgakora kwĩna designated stage
with proper cars.
Na nginya kũu thĩinĩ gwathondekwo nginya shade.
Wega view.
Handũ mũndũ angĩgita mbura kana riũa.
Yes. Stage cia tene, the biggest merchant was Hiodoro. It's my own. Okay, there are towns who are here to get stages.
Kuri andu mareo matuko macio.
Many towns we are yet to get there. Never mind go kwambire ukigiara mi, which is a good thing. No rami. Tota karogia agwito. Dina ali akavusereire. Okay, ukire no issue nacio ti town. Those are
shopping centers. Shopping center ni rwere rwa bara.
Tau keno diri. Keno diri stage. Diri.
Na no wanda gutithira congestion.
Gutigithia tondu gutire stage. Do they even have a market?
There's a market.
Is it along the road? Tokuria father.
Ni kuri giathi ki handu thiini riu ngwiciria nakio riu andu magikeigiha magispiru nja
to thirikari yu nebatie cirie kure haria thutha wa county au no haigo stage na ngwiciria no hao inge thirikari ndigikiaga mbia cia kugura na ekoneha ni ha mundu kiumbe samba ni kwethondeketwo undu ngiingira na ume no riumiriro ni tari tageragwo ni kindu. You see the reason riu riaremire ri ni bara guthuka bara kuingira thiini riu andu maigagwo ki maigagwo nja aigagwo bara. We have seen it all. Oh yes. Ine reure. Today's Rugongo edition. Rugongo edition ready. Very ready. Yes. We are ready for Saturday. We are ready for Saturday. Very ready. Very ready. We are very ready for Saturday. Very ready. Wema Fest. Yes. Are asha kigardens ruiro. Absolutely. Yeah. Na do no maragura tigiti by the way. We have you. Hade star 672 star 55 star 672 star 55 hash. Oh yes. Au no mundu aragura tigiti wa kuingira Wema Fest. Wegata proper. Yeni. Yes. Form 4 walimaliza shule. Walimaliza kutoka last Thursday or Friday last week. It's one of the final batches of the 844 system. Tutugwiciria ya marathire aria me maraigira form 3. Ne form 3 ka 2 nio makarikia kiria. Ne aria maraigira form 2 January. Yes, nio mathi marikitie ki. Marikitie system iyo. No aria maraigira form 1 rita riri. Niko wena form 1. Tiri ne number 9. Ne 9. Tiri form 1. Yes. Kuna form 1. Sasa iko grade. Sasa wale wanaenda form 2 ndio wataenda wamesikilia ile tochi ya mwisho ya KCSE. Yes. Nema kirikiria. Welcome to the world. Welcome to the world. Oh yes. No, rumeta mena mwemo si around a week or so. Yes. And you know, it gives you the memories. Ore mundu arikirie form 4. You see skuru iria kwari na enlightenment kidogo ri. Andu ni mandikana na mafuku meto farewell. No, that was a must. Yeah. Very. And sometimes reading them after school would get you very emotional. Especially the ones that were written by people you had attachment of feelings to. Yes. That is if you are lucky. If you are lucky to be a popular person. Tondu kwe mundu athiuruke ibuku ri akaga signature cingi hagura mubunge. And again those the us who are in schools of one gender. Yes. Those was now were basically gentlemanly addresses. Yes. Niora ibuku riu ale mama igite. Okarigwa what were these people imagining you are? No, ibuku ria fero ri. No ikaraga thi uguo kare thoma. Yes. Oria. Were these people addressing me? Well, no, did they know what I would eventually become? Didn't they have a premonition? What a kid how? Your mannerisms. May your mannerisms always follow you. Your discipline and the attention to detail. Yes. Okay, Kiro. The world you are going to needs you. Why you so come on, this was politics. Yes. I am so sure and I can bet that you will become the pilot you have always wanted to be. Now that is
na wenda kabuti gakajo.
Oh, these people had so much hopes on you. You even hope not to meet some of them.
Nashoka mundu kwanja kahura signature yake mataifa.
Yes. My gut feeling always tells me, Muthoni, you will get married by a white man. Hede mwigani ria aduga na muthuri guodoga. Oyedo mwogo kenyo ero. Amaze. Esimari ya ijinya ya. No siya kura dhiri nyakero.
Mudore hikira nyakero.
Ai kire boy mani.
Arataku ni mona ari we.
Yes.
Urirugamaga na do bow.
You are so stylish. No man in this country can fulfill your style.
Ano je mo kamo achabadi atago Nairobi.
Yes.
Uthiete bypass.
Ukamo kwa na tuzi bigi kanua. Na thimu muko achati.
Mathikoya.
Yeke tu aba bana kio. Gare kioge.
Ajoe kaiuga mundu mwathoma nake ndu kuri andu nginya ni moekaine ati ni wasanii.
Yes.
Managia mundu mwathoma nake akaiuga gwita msanii kumwira ta ndigithia acio
ni wadu
sanii wadu.
Huyu wale musani no mwako ni athire gwa Kameme ukoragirwo ngo Michael. Yosh ana da kuigua Kameme ini we. Okay, well, you are in a totally different field. Gukira ria ki?
Gukira ria.
Fair vero yo.
Ibuku karaga thi uguo. Ukarithie thuru rimwe, rita rimwe na ringi. Ukarigwo this must have been a different person.
No, these people did not even have an idea of my life trajectory.
Engineer.
Yes. Alekiro how we will also always remember the law you played in our CU. May you get a bigger sanctuary than any church in Kenya. Na ndio wenda ya toti marigiti.
Uragira andu bombo.
Ndagire ministry no tie.
No, there were a few people, truthful men.
There were a few people who with the book and their life would align, but very rare.
No, good mundu tatindae kuhenia yake kwandikira fia we. Ona kwandikagira maundu maingi.
Akwira all the best. Pambana na maisha.
Now think that kugemeria.
Yes.
Wewe, you are the best.
Jibabe life refupi. There's some people would even near ma to maginyo yesterday's was Maria na the ditu. To modu mare makura the ire haure. No akiriatia. No amegwate ire. No konora biosio. Kill may the world be easy on you. May you land jobs. May you be sought after by employers. And you are sorting after them. May everything that glitters in your hands turn into gold.
Gija hado gatiga guthoma nyamu icio. Wau na pambana tu na maisha.
The manual and the actual machine asiperekani.
Lakini si ni life.
Yes, this is a slam book. Oh, can I have the one for primary? Ya secondary ya kwa nere ya kuri yoni muthu wa gicagi.
Aya, inyene mwathondeka primary?
Na
inyuĩ mwari
a slam book.
polling station di primary ri
toka fuku kega muno kana diary. It was actually manufactured for that purpose.
gatiakirite thika ngoro kariku
ndona andu makinyagia to ithu tiakinyagiria ri ndagwire kiritu geto Angela Njoki thiku ici ni muhunjia ta Angela Anjicha Banki ni wagwire kabuku kau akinjira onawe nyagia nawe wandikirwo tundu tuteithagia primary riu ndera watire. May your life in high school be wonderful. May you go to a national school. Adamadi o secondary tukiona na sorai
na karavai
ndio muthakasi ocegie karavai waja Angela ri Anjicha Bangi ri emurite to Brenda Maina ri acio nio mathekagia kiria manyandikire. May your high school life lead you to interact with people from all walks of life. Iya wende to thoma mundu umete kura ine Nyandarua.
The but even walks of life.
No, which walk?
Rural.
You know, iyo ithu tugithoma ri though now it has changed ri kwari na mugithi umwe Aciangi was one demographic. Wetagwo Nyambate
tigo cio
aciangi othe
ni murima
ya which walks nyangite gaturi
roko twendi
Kiamara Mukarara Kenya Njeru
na Mukango
na Kaimeri
rira yaya na 45
ona mundu ataumite within the locality ri etanagio na kwao te gwicukuru zeuzena yehori. It was serving mostly the Kangemans na one yake na discall
iyo
riu mundu umite outside ku kegumo
ungeigu mwathi kanitha ungeigure kwenda kimenyithia kia baratha ya cibu ni mwamenya ni kiramuhutia
inyuothe. So those were the walks of life.
Like